I'd like to have a look into AI and what impact that is having on the creation of videos, music, and so much more. AI is everywhere, whether we realise it or not. From translations, and yes, I do use AI for that, to image generation, and even entire films being created by AI tools. But what does that mean for creativity, for authenticity, and for the way we consume content? So today let's take a deep dive into the pros and cons of AI. We'll watch an AI generated short film, discuss what we feel about it, and explore whether AI is enhancing creativity or just replacing it. So stick around because this one's going to be thought-provoking, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you enjoy these kinds of discussions. Let's start with the positives. AI is fast. It can generate an image in seconds, write scripts, edit videos, and even compose music. That kind of speed is unprecedented. AI is also incredibly accessible, and tools that once required years of skill to acquire are now available just at the click of a button. But here's the catch. How original is AI-generated content? AI doesn't create, it mimics, pulling from vast data sets of existing work. AI-generated images often look hyper-real, and there's something a little too perfect, a little too polished about them. We might not always know exactly what it is, but most of us can tell when an image or a video is AI generated. And here's the big question. How close are we to full deception? Can AI make things so real that we can't tell the difference? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now let's put AI to the test. I've created a short film using AI, and everything from the visuals to the story itself has been generated. I didn't have any input apart from just giving it a simple prompt. A girl plants an apple seed, and over time it grows into a tree that her daughter later enjoys. And the whole thing lasts just 78 seconds. So sit back and watch, and afterwards we'll break down what we felt.
High in the unforgiving peaks of Colorado, where few things dare to grow, young Sarah clutched a precious apple seed, the last reminder of her departed mother. With trembling hands, she planted the seed in her grandmother's ancient terrace. Each pat of soil carried her hopes and defiance against nature itself. Against all odds, life emerged from the harsh mountain earth. Through brutal winters, Sarah protected her growing treasure. Years passed, and the tree grew strong, just like its guardian, until finally it bloomed in defiant glory against the mountain backdrop. Sarah left her mark, both in the tree and in the mountain's memory. 15 years later, Sarah's daughter Emma discovered her mother's legacy. In the bark, she found the story of her mother's determination. And in its fruit, she found a connection to the mother she barely knew. Each sweet bite carried memories of a woman who dared to grow something permanent in a world of temporary things. In this harsh place, Sarah's legacy continued to bloom, nurturing her daughter just as she had nurtured this tree. A reminder that even in the harshest places, love finds a way to grow.
So I don't know about you, but there's something about the cadence, the voice structure, which doesn't really work. And of course I left up on screen, it was a free trial, the link to easyvid.app, so you can go and have a look for yourself. And then there's the visuals, they're sort of hyper real. So what did you think? Let's talk about it. Did it feel real to you? Did it evoke emotions, or was there something off about it? I'll be honest, there's something fascinating about watching AI-generated content, but at the same time it lacks something, doesn't it? Maybe it's the lack of human imperfection. Maybe it's because AI can only predict patterns, not create from lived experience. AI is great at simulating emotion, but does it feel emotion? I want to hear from you in the comments. Now, let's address the big concern. Will AI replace human creativity? We know that it's almost certainly going to replace some jobs. Some people say yes, others say no. But personally, I believe that AI is a tool, not a creator. It can assist creativity, but it can't replace the real human experience behind storytelling. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you think AI generated stories and images are real enough? Or is something always missing? Let's get a discussion going in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more deep dives like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you want to support the channel, check out my book, Diary of a Psychopath by me, Stephen Howard. It's available on Amazon and the link is in the description. And no, I didn't use any AI to write that, I can assure you. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you found that thought-provoking, and I'll see you next time.